Hi guys, today we are discuss about ecosystem. Now let's start. What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a community of living organisms, plants, animals, microorganisms interacting with each other and their physical environment, air, water, soil. It is a self-regulating system where biotic, living and abiotic, non-living components coexist and influence one another. Types of ecosystem: terrestrial, aquatic. An ecosystem can be as small as an oasis in a desert or as big as an ocean spanning thousands of miles. A terrestrial ecosystem is a land-based community of organisms and the interactions of biotic and abiotic components in a given area. They are as follows: forest, grassland; tundra, desert. Forest is an area of land dominated by trees and animals that live in coordination with abiotic factors of the environment. Grassland. In a grassland ecosystem, the vegetation is dominated by grasses and herbs. Tundra. In physical geography, tundra is a type of biome where the tree growth is hindered by low temperatures and short growing seasons. Desert. A desert is a barren area of landscape where little precipitation occurs and consequently living conditions are hostile for plant and animal life. Aquatic ecosystems are ecosystems present in a body of water. These can be further divided into two types, namely freshwater and marine aquatic ecosystem. Freshwater ecosystem. The freshwater ecosystem is an aquatic ecosystem that includes lakes, ponds, rivers, streams, and wetlands. These have no salt content, in contrast with the marine ecosystem. The marine ecosystem includes seas and oceans. These have a more substantial salt content and greater biodiversity in comparison to the freshwater ecosystem. Bottom culture cave. Structure of the ecosystem. The structure of an ecosystem is characterized by the organization of both biotic and abiotic components. This includes the distribution of energy in our environment. It also includes the climatic conditions prevailing in that particular environment. Biotic components, abiotic components. Sections of the ecosystem. It regulates the essential ecological processes, supports life systems, and renders stability. It is also responsible for the cycling of nutrients between biotic and abiotic components. It maintains a balance among the various trophic levels in the ecosystem. It cycles the minerals through the biosphere. The abiotic components help in the synthesis of organic components that involves the exchange of energy. The food chain. During this biological process, light energy is converted into chemical energy and is passed on through successive levels. The flow of energy from a producer to a consumer and eventually to an apex predator or a detritivore is called the food chain 1. The grasshopper eats the grass 2. The mice eats the grasshoppers 3. The snake eats the mice 4. The eagle eats the snake 5. When the hawk dies, fungi breaks the bodies down and turns into nutrients 6 paid money rata. When the field comes to prime, nutrients 6 along with sun and water cause the grass to grow. Thank you guys for your support.